Ka Jing Dawa ya ka jela ka bapura dagi paitba ka Garo, ka balatip kum ka Garoland State Movement Committee, kelanang yair hem katba dang mi kisngi kipor. Habayo banyakran berundang keren ketien kemat jong ketika seng Gsmc, urian CH Marang, ngiladang sngothu syai kinongrim, kaba ketika seng kadon bandawa. Katkum utei unong yalam ulapan pau, baka Jing Dawa ya kajela Garoland, kadai ka hok kanong kenti, kabau pait garo udei banyo. Namar kambiang bansuhun, bandon sa ha kajela Meghalaya, namar kanekam ay ka jingpin itu tikna, bau pait garo, udei unong India. Lane la abanong hakaktin Nongway ka national identity. Namar hakaba ningkong ikijela hakari India. La penbenta yaki katkum ka linguistic state. Henry kalale bam suitnyo wikipai garo bat khasi jaintia. Namar ka jela Meghalaya hi klamshim lakdo katkum ka linguistic state. Henry Meghalaya ka pin itu bain bakadai ka ri jongki loo. Kumta kane ka seng ka yang bandawa ya ka hok banyo ka Garoland, khnang banyo ka Jingithuh bathikna kum ki Garo, bat ki badai kinong India om kum ki loo. Ula benrap ru ba omdan kanu ka Jingisi ne sngoper jait benriu, ya ki jait benriu khasi jaitia, da ka ba ong ru, ba udap da ka Jing songu ka Jing yadon rengkan, ha ki sanpau tili ki snam, ha ka ju ka jela, bat ki ya i kum shipara, henrei ha ka ne kapor, kala day banya klat no laga jong ga jela, khnang ba ki jait benriu Garo, kinyo laga jong ga jela, bat kumju uru ki khasi jaintia, kinyo laga jong ga jela.
Yes, I'll be very much happy to tell you regarding our movement and then the organization's works and their ways. But first of all, we are very much thankful that you came over here and we welcome you. Most heartfelt thanks to you all, since we are brothers and sisters, since we have been here for so long, since the state was given to us. So Garoland State Movement Committee was formed during the year 2012, and then till now, till 2022, it has not stopped its movement. We are still going on ahead, and then we had visited or protested or given our demand twice, and before that also our forefathers have also done that. And right now, regarding the body's ideology is that we are fighting for our land in a very democratic way, and we are happy to tell you that this particular organization is such that where we stand under the Constitution of India, where we are given, where they said that under the State Linguistic Act and then regarding the State Organization Act, so we are going on ahead with that. I'll tell you one thing, I'm very happy to tell you that since inception, since it was incepted and then it was established, we are still going on with our movement, and lastly it was during the year, I can't recall right now, but and we also had one rally out there in Shillong also at the headquarters of Meghalaya. I believe you might have noticed that also. It was held near the secretariat opposite to this Directorate of this Higher and Technical Education also. We had that nearby this BSN office. Okay. So we are still going on ahead with our movement, and we are going to go to Delhi this coming week. Mostly we have a grand meeting out there with the NFNS, National Federation of New States, which is a conglomerate body of NGOs and other state movement corporative bodies also. So we are going to have a symposium first day, and then the second we're going to have a dharna out there in Jantar Mantar at New Delhi actually.
So what was the main objectives of your organization?
See, the name clearly states that it is we are moving ahead for separate state.
Okay.
We are moving for a separate Garoland state actually.
So why Garoland is very important for your people and for your movement as well?
See, I'll tell you frankly and very like in a very diplomatic way. Since it was our Meghalaya was formed, right now we are already grown up. So why stay in the same house? We are already we have already acquired knowledge, and we have gained quite a lot of different strategies with different ideas and ideologies we have already gained. So I believe it's a different and a high time for us to stay separate and go along our own ways. But it's not in a way where it will class our own people, our own integrity. Like we are Meghalayan. There are three tribes which are majority here, which makes a major part of Meghalaya. That is Garo, Khasi and Jingithuh. So we are approaching everyone with a brotherhood and like a family way, where we say, okay, we are separating lovingly. We are not separating in a different manner. So I calmly and I kind of lovingly tell my brothers and sisters of Khasi Hills and Genting Hills to please understand our sentiments also. I'd be very much happy to tell you that we are having around 90 plus people of 90 plus people of I mean like who support us, the government state movement committee. But there are certain people being political or with different biased thoughts or mentality. So they have, I don't know what they think about that, but majority of people want Garoland, because we are Garos, we should have our own land. See, suppose you are also, you will have your own identity and they have their own identity. So I believe everyone will support, and just like I've seen in quite a lot of your protests and everything, like there are lots and lots of people who support you, and for us also there are lots and lots of people who support us also in our movement.
That
Yes, we have written a memorandum actually, and even the GSU also has given a memorandum, and even Gsmc, it was twice we went to Delhi also. That time we gave a twice already. It's been twice that we went to Delhi, and then we have given thrice also we have given during the time when Sri Clifford K. Marak was also available during the time as his tenure as the MLA of South Garo Hills. He has also given memorandum, and then we also as a part of our own organization, we have given memorandum to the central government and to the state also. That is what we are believing, and that is our aspiration, because every part and every parcel of our family is our family, and we are also a part of your family too, and we wish you all the best, and I believe you are also wishing us the best if we can achieve that. We as an organization, Gsmc, Garoland State Movement Committee, we are not saying that we want greater Garoland, but we are saying we want Garoland.
Garoland.
Yes.
Okay.
It's not greater, it's
Okay.
not lesser,
All right.
it's not even the middle part also, but we want Garoland. That's what I will say. I would love to see this because being a part and parcel of India, they should understand the sentiments, the emotions, the needs and the wants of the people of this land, because we are the sole builders of this particular state and particular area. They are the representative, and they should heed to the wants and needs and the emotions and sentiments of the people. That's what I would like to say to them. I would like to suggest the government to see to both the sides, because like mostly our people are suffering. And last time we had an incident out at Crow also, where around maybe 4 to 5 to 6 people were killed with, in a brutal manner, where even our people were not could not be saved. I feel very sorry about that. I give my condolences to this family also, and I believe the state government should heed to our needs, both from the side of the Garos and the Khasis and the Jingithuhs also, because we as a family should work out together, and he being the head of the family should look out to the children. That's what I would like to see.
I'd like to say the state government, and they have to see the border problem, so that if they look into the problem, so it will be better for the those people are living border area, and they may feel better if state government or the state Assam and Meghalaya government, if they look into the matter, it will be better for the border areas, those living in border areas.
Pelaksanaan salam ni kan mereka. Garoland State Movement Committee ni spokesperson Ryan Sesma, dari bangi jakasi dong Pak Assistant General Secretary Saibel A Sangma, dari macam Garoland State Movement Committee ni ingin ba, cuma hasil ini cik ini tak kengkeng, hasil ini kalau ni orang kengkeng cuma kam kapunya, cuma tentang dake politically tentang macam cuma move kain lepo umja, di ba tentang ni beljak cik, cuma ingin ba, cuma central ni ko, state ni ko cuma Garoland ni ko nama dan ko dabi macam. Cuma mamu dake mangba, tahun kumba, anci hari muka teme cuma kam kakbar umja, andi mangba, cini kam kanira, deka penci, Indian Constitution au dongeng pao bangsa cuma tak kabar umma, jeno agana cuma State Linguistic Act, State Reorganizing Act au cuma bangsa kam kaina, haida sabun macam ko cancingin, ya mandirang de, politically nangni kanesan ye ko umma temba. Bising Garoland na election na sebang tunggu Garoland na ye umja. Di bacingade antang tuni tak apa bacingade bersih ke tan cingade bintang biar kau cingau mata. Jika ino jangsa cokot tu atau orang matken, uci bajong atau orang matken, ba uci bintang north orang mata, east orang mata, bangau cingade bintang mata, Shillong cibi angjo, headquarter cingade rally orang mata, dengan Delhi nabi yang bercakap dana aku kaa, bintang aku berumur daka. Ini kemudian angade Garoland State Movement Committee ni spokesperson mungkin nanti akan datang nanti nasi mang kasapai antang ni jat ni jen nongye cem isu nongye cem Dawa je Garoland je nang cuma tengah macam rupa ancing sakan tian million berkadang ada nampatkan, kumung nang lebih tak kau nampatkan mana sukses sakabun kun grikon, ba sukses sakabun ko. Dukung tu nak cing namja, ancing di absan kumungi nang demi, jong ada nunggu biu bina kata ancing di kamkan yang nampatkan ni nang disakan tiapun kupat tinas kacem, angada alia selalu angin peng sekarang ipa bisongan inoni kamkan kepada mak, bisong media ni mandran lunga, Shillong ni ipa apa, bisong ibani nang belum kaca biar, bisong pun ibani nang bisong pun tela, dengan ma bang bisa kata aku sunak kan kan, mainan bisong pun semua itu aja, bisong dia pelan dengan sakantinan ya atam nang pun jolim bang ni akan mutel akan itu pun nata mutela.